Yes, children, welcome to VIN school. I am Sugna here. Let's continue the class water plants. Plants like the lotus and water lily grown in water. They have big leaves that float on water. Water plants are mostly found in shallow lakes and ponds. So children, plants like lotus, water lily are grown in water, children. This is lotus, this is water lily. Okay children, so they have big leaves, children. They have big leaves, see, that float on the water, children. Water plants are mostly found in shallow lakes and ponds. So it is found in the lakes and ponds, children. Okay, in village sites and all, if you go and see, means in the lakes and ponds you can see the lotus and water lily. Next we are going to see about cactus. Plants like the cactus grow in the hot and dry climate like desert where there is very less water. They have thorns that protect them from animals. So plants like cactus grow in the hot dry climates, children. See, this is cactus. They need very less water. Okay, they have thorns that protects them from the animals. Okay children, see, this is cactus. They need very less water, children. Next we are going to see about parts of a plant. Okay children, the root grow below the soil. They hold the plant steadily to the ground. They take in water and nutrient from the soil. They also store food and water. See children, this is root, stem, fruit, flower, leaf. Okay now children, so this root grows below the soil. Where it will grow, children? Below the soil. They hold the plant steadily to the ground. They take the water from the soil. They also store food and water. Okay children, they also store food and water, children. They grow below the soil. Okay, stem. The stem grows above the soil. It helps the plant to stand straight. It bears leaves, flowers and fruits. It carries water and nutrients to different parts of the plants. So children, stem grow above the soil. It helps the plant to stand straight, children. It bears leaves, flowers and fruits, and it carries water and nutrients to different parts of the plant. This is stem. Okay, it grows above the soil. It helps the plants to stand straight, children. It bears the leaves, flowers and fruits. It carries water and nutrients to the different parts of the plant. Next we can see about the leaves. Leaves are the most important part of the plant. So leaves are the most important part of the plant. Green leaves prepare food with the help of sunlight, air and water. So leaves are the most important part of the plant, children. So green leaves prepare food with help of sunlight, air and water. Okay. Next we can see about flowers. Flowers are the colorful parts of a plant. They produce seeds that grow into a new plant. Some flowers have a sweet smell too. So flowers are colorful part of the plant. What they produce? They produce seeds that grow into a new plant. Okay children, the flowers only it will produce seeds and it will grow into a new plant. Some flowers have sweet smell too. Okay. So next we are going to see about fruits. Fruits come from the flowers. Some fruits are fleshy and juicy. They protect the developing seeds. So fruits, how it will come children? Fruits come from the flowers. Some fruits are very juicy, no children. Some will be very fleshy and some will be very juicy. They protect the developing seeds. Okay children. So leaves of the plants make food with the help of sunlight. They make food for plants. This food is stored in different parts of plant. So children, leaves of plants make food with the help of sunlight. They make food for plants. Okay, with the help of the sunlight only the leaves make food children. Okay, they make food for plants. Okay, this food is stored in different parts of plants. So this food is stored in the different parts of the plants children. That is the end of your lesson. Thank you.